Okay, hi guys. Actually, I've promised you guys to actually show you the Binance trading platform here, together with our bot running side by side. So now the bot has been running, and it actually captured the price. Okay, which you can see here. The reason we are able to do this is because we're actually using the API keys from Binance. But you must know that the Binance API keys that is for us is not the how to say, the premium or VIP version. It's because it's only reserved for Binance own market makers. Okay, so what we needed to do is we need to have multiple accounts in Binance itself to actually speed up the APIs calls and count, and also to have multiple pairs to actually do it. Okay, so I think most of the question is how does this work and whether it's real. All right, so to show you guys, it's actually really running and how much we're trading. So if you look at here, we have how much. So we have 3.4 mil. So yes, we have 3.4 mil of USDT in this particular account that is running, and we have about 5.5 BTC, which is here. So let's see, we force the bot to actually do a trade. Okay, we're going to buy a limit buy. You can see that it's actually starting to buy here. If you look at the open orders here, we have an open order at this price. Okay, and you see it's being filled. When it's getting filled, you will see that it changes on the bot itself. Okay, so now what we have is, if you look at our order history here, we have actually bought the BTC at let's say 5067, right? So we have about 23. Okay, so the next thing to do is to wait for the bot to actually determine a price to sell. But because we want to show you the buying and the selling process, okay, I'm going to wait for it to actually go up in price a bit, so I don't actually lose some money for you guys, and I'm going to sell it. So now if you look at it, we actually bought it at 5067, and it's actually now 5066, so it's not at the optimum price to sell yet. And how I could see this is actually from here itself. Okay, so when it's plus, which means that whatever price we bought it at is actually at a plus figure, and we can actually start to sell it. And over here itself is the total overall short-term trading percentage, and this is the long-term hodl percentage. This is the difference. Okay, this is the RSI count. Okay, and this is actually what if we do sell, how much we were to make. Okay, so now, okay, it's already 70. Let's do a sell. Okay, so I should be making about $3. Okay, so let's do a sell. You can see that, okay, I have a sell order at 70, so I should be making $3 per Bitcoin now. Now you see that it's cancelled is because the price itself is not matching. So you actually try to tune the price itself to make a sale. Okay. Of course now it's dropping down again. It's trying to actually sell it. So the bot itself is trying actively for us to see whether it can actually do the sale. So let's wait for it. Okay. It's trying harder, but no one's biting. Okay, so now the price is back down to 5067, 5068, which means that the bot itself won't be able to do much sale, as we'll be losing money, so it won't be doing much. Okay, you can see that it actually did a bit of sales here. From 7.5 now it's 7.4. We actually had a bit of increase, and it sold a bit. We actually made about $1 plus. Okay. So I think that is about it. You can see that, okay, that's okay, we're trying to do another, okay, we just did another sale here. Okay, it's a part sale. Okay, so it's selling bit by bit, making sure that we are not losing money. Okay, so this is about it for this recording. If you guys need any more explanation, okay, please do let us know.